Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. Y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Do you see this moment? Are you catching what I'm putting down? And y'all see these little jewels right here too? Y'all proud of me? Y'all proud of me? This wig was a labor of love, and I'm gonna show y'all what I did with her. But first, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you this wine that I've been drinking. Don't judge me, don't judge me, don't judge. This is a really huge bottle of the Woodbridge by Robert Mondavi Cabernet Merlot. It's a red wine. It tastes fine, but it's only like $8.99 for how much? For a lot of wine. Go ahead and get you some if you're being cheap and you want to try some reds. Let's go ahead and get into this hair right here, y'all. I styled and profiled her. Look at her. She got a braid. She's got a swoop over moment. She's got edges. I mean, really, this is just beach ready hair. And this hair is from YGwigs.com. Now, YGwigs.com is an online wig store. This is the one of the wigs they're featuring. Now, this wig is the 360 lace frontal wig. Now, this one isn't a lace frontal. It is a 360 lace frontal, and it comes in the texture water wave. It's really soft and curly, and I have to be honest with you, I forgot to condition the hair after bleaching the knots, and the hair is still soft. It came out with no product on it. Extremely soft. This hair is bomb, and it also came pre-plucked as well. I didn't do anything to the edges at all. I didn't pluck it. I didn't do anything to it. She came all the way done. This cap is kind of big for me, and I have a very tiny head. So 360 lace wigs are not as practical for me. Let me go ahead and show you the back of the hair. I did like the fake scalp method, but it's a method that uses a wig cap that you don't have to attach to your head. So I'll show you all the customization. Just check out what I did to customize this wig, and then I'll be back just a second. So I'm going to start off by bleaching the knots on this wig. You'll see that the knots actually bled through, so that means the roots were a little bit blonde. So I just took some L'Oreal Root Touch Up and just sprayed the roots with the color so it just blended in a little bit. And now I'm going to start styling the wig by parting that side, and I'm just going to do a cute little braid. Y'all saw it in the beginning. I'm adding some of the Can2 Coil Calm Detangler as well as a mousse. This mousse I actually like. I think it's from Apogee. I'll go ahead and leave the link to all the products that I use down below. And I'm just going to braid it down so I have a nice sleek braid. Y'all don't know how many times I braided this hair and I was losing my mind. I was irritated. But I finally got the braid right. And we're just going to braid her all the way down. So now I'm using that same Coil Calm Detangler, and I'm going to add the product to the hair. I did not condition this hair, girl, I forgot. But I'm just adding the Coil Calm Detangler to the hair now, and it really defined the curls. I'm also using the mousse, the Apogee mousse, just to smooth down those edges as well. And I'm going to add some little beads to the hair just to make it look cute and a little fancy little look on the hair. And I'm just continuing to style it and smooth it down. Now we're going to turn the cap inside out, and we're going to do this fake scalp method. Now the fake scalp method is basically when you take a wig cap that's the same color as your skin tone, and you stretch it over the wig that's inside out, and you take some Got to Be Glued and spray it all over the wig. So basically it'll adhere the cap to the actual lace instead of adhering it to your head, which gives it that fake scalp look. So you just blow dry it until it's dry. One thing I noticed that at the braid, where the braid was located, it wasn't flat enough. So if you are doing some sort of style, don't style it before. Make sure the wig cap is flat. That braid made it a little bit more lumpy. But now that we're done, we're just going to go ahead and cut off the excess cap. It actually adhered very well, and you can see it looks really, really natural. So now we're just going to cut off this lace all the way around the 360 lace frontal. And we're going to start the application of this wig. After I cut off the lace, I noticed that the wig cap really did not fit. So I'm taking the adjustable strap that came, the elastic band that came in the package, and I'm sewing it to the back of the head to make it fit. And now we're going to start placing the wig on our head. So of course I got my trusty dusty wig grip, girl, placing her on my head so it doesn't move. And I'm pinning away the hair before I start putting the Got To Be Glued gel on my head. This is the same process that I always use with putting on my wigs. I just like to show y'all just in case it's your first time watching my videos. So I'm taking the blow dryer and I'm just blow drying the Got To Be Glued just to make sure it's sticky. And I'm placing the wig in place. You have to make sure this style is really, really flat or it's gonna show, girl. This lace be telling all your business. So I'm just gonna use like this head wrap, these paper head wrap things, and I'm just gonna place it on my head for about 20 or so minutes. And now I'm taking off the paper and look, she's done. What do you think? So now that we're back, I want to know what y'all think about how I customize this wig. If you have any tips to make this just a little bit easier or some stuff that you've done, like have you ever tried the fake scalp method, you just leave all of that information down below. If you have any questions, of course, leave those down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all and I will see you in my next video. Oh, bye.